Hello Elector TV followers! In today's video, we'll be reviewing the Home Appliance Hack-and-IoT Guidebook and discussing its key concepts and practical application. So, let's get started. Home Appliance Hack-and-IoT Guidebook by Henrik Skovgaard is published by Elector. It's a comprehensive book, perfect for hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone looking to expand their knowledge of IoT. With the knowledge you gain from this book, you'll be able to create your own IoT projects, automate your home, and even improve your home's energy efficiency. So let's dive into some of the most exciting chapters of the book. In the first chapter, you'll learn about some of the basic skills that you need in order to use this book. Chapter 2 covers the components that you'll need throughout the projects of this book. This book is mainly about the expressive ESP8266 microcontroller. The author has chosen the Wemos D1 Mini Pro, but you'll most likely be able to use other variants. Since the ESP8266 and Raspberry Pi complement each other quite well, there will be also design ideas that incorporate the Raspberry Pi. The rest of the components you'll need is briefly described, including relays and sensors. Chapter 3 will guide you through the installation of the Arduino IDE and the additional libraries you'll need to compile a software for the ESP8266. Chapter 5, named MQTT installation on a Raspberry Pi, will cover the basic MQTT broker but also a publisher and a subscriber client. In the following chapter, the author will give a brief introduction about OpenSCAD, which he used for his housing designs, and he will give a short walkthrough of why he hasn't secured his ESP8266 devices. Chapter 9 is a description of how to make over-the-air via a web server, and two other methods are briefly described. The Wemos D1 Mini Pro PCB comes with a connector permitting an external antenna to be connected. Chapter 10 is a walkthrough of the external Wi-Fi antenna possibilities within the Wemos design. A description of a simple DIY antenna and a more sophisticated antenna will be provided. For most of the designs of the book, a small PCB and an enclosure are presented, so you can print your own 3D enclosures at home or in a shop. The book is packed with detailed instructions and examples, making it easy for even beginners to follow along. You'll find a wide range of projects to work on, including building a colorful smart home accessory, a refrigerator or greenhouse controller, an AC powerline monitor, a door lock monitor, and much more. You'll be able to turn any home appliance into a smart device. The book is available on the Elector store. Visit the link in the description to get your copy today. Please note that all custom software written for the IoT devices, the PCB layouts, and 3D print files described in the book are available for free downloading. Home Appliance Hack-and-IoT Guidebook is also available as an ebook. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more Elector TV videos.